Vehicle cut in two half on Toll Road. Occupant survive horrific crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Members of the public were left baffled after the occupants of a Honda van narrowly escaped dead after the vehicle in which they were traveling crashed and then cut into two halves on the Edwards-Yaga Highway on Saturday. Onlookers claim that the vehicle slammed into a utility pole. Apart from the two main parts that the vehicle was reduced to, there were bits and pieces of the wreckage spread across all around. Based on early feedback, the occupants survived the crash.
On the ridge line, yeah? Yo, them lucky, eh? Eh? What, the airbag? The airbag fly? Yeah, man. Yo, this bug clean enough, eh? This is a clean chop, you know. Sorry, darling. Take off all the door. Eh? Vehicle perfectly cut in two. Clean in two. Alright, post it in the camera.
Even onlookers were shocked at the sight they were seeing after this horrific crash unfolded on the Edwards-Yaga Highway on Saturday. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.